Alright, today the Z-axis on this Skipper 100 machine keeps overloading. It is hidden back there. Everything in the front here needs to come off. This Z carriage raises up and down. I'm going to take a look at the drive system and see what's going on. But before I do that, I just want to check amperage. Right away I can see that the amp draw is really high. It's about 6 amps. It's not supposed to draw that high of an amperage. So I am going to remove the front and remove the guarding here. Got the guard off. And then I'm going to remove this, and there is this ball nut screw. That is what raises the carriage up and down. There's the belt drive. So I'm going to remove this belt drive, and I'm going to run the motor without a load and see if the amp draw decreases. So the belt is off, and now I'm going to rerun it, and I am running it, and I can see that the amp draw has decreased. So that tells me that my servo motor is good. There's nothing mechanically binding. I'm going to remove the plug here and then finish taking out the motor. I have the servo motor removed. It is good. Here it is. And then I'm going to finish taking off the bolt on this ball nut screw. And then I'm going to remove these bolts. And then the whole plate ball screw assembly should fall out. And here it is. It is out. The ball nut itself is good, but then on the pulley side, there's a bearing in there, and that bearing is seized. So let's take it apart. And remove those, and then the ball screw assembly comes out, and I'm going to press the shaft out. And here we have the bearing. You can see that the shield is completely destroyed. It has contaminated the inside of the bearing, which caused the inner race to completely seize. You can't even spin it by hand. I don't have a bearing to replace this, so I have to order one, and I'm gonna get one that has metal shields and to perhaps prevent this from happening again.